Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if applications are freezing while attempting to access files over a network drive on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and this tutorial is going to assume we're on Windows 10 Professional, Enterprise, or Education. Just want to put that right out there. So anyway, we're going to type in local group, best match go backup group policy. Go ahead and left click on that. I'm going to make this window a little wider here. And you want to expand the computer configuration section. So we're going to go collapse the user configuration. Don't want anybody getting confused here. And underneath computer configuration, we're going to go double click on the administrative templates folder. Do the same thing for network. And then finally, there should be an offline files folder on the left side. Now on the right side, you want to locate something that says allow or disallow use of the offline file feature. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to set this to disabled and then select apply and OK. Once that's done, you should be able to go ahead and close out of the group policy editor, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.